Every problem has a solution. Yet most people don't solve their problems. They worry. They fear. They avoid. But here's the truth. A problem isn't here to break you. It's here to make you stronger, wiser, and sharper. Life will test you. Life will challenge you. Life will put obstacles in your path. Strong people aren't those who never face problems. Strong people are those who face problems calmly and solve them smartly. So today, we'll learn how to handle any problem, step by step. Don't say, "Why me?" Say, "I will handle this. I will solve this." Let's dive in. Tip 1. Stay calm and think clearly. When a problem appears, most people panic. Their hearts race. Thoughts spin. They imagine the worst. This is normal, but it doesn't help. A stressed mind can't find solutions. A calm mind can solve anything. Here's what to do. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Tell yourself, "I am in control. I will solve this." Calmness clears your thinking. It reveals solutions. It shrinks problems. Remember, emotions make problems bigger. Calmness makes them smaller. Pause. Breathe. Think. Then act. This one habit alone can change how you solve problems forever. Tip 2. Break problems into small steps. Big problems feel scary. You think, "This is impossible. I can't do it." But here's the secret. No big problem needs a giant solution. Every big problem can be solved step by step. Think of it like a staircase. You don't jump to the top in one leap. You take one step at a time. How to start? Write it down. Seeing your problem clearly gives clarity and power. Break it into parts. Example, "I must improve my English." Small steps. Learn 5 words today. Watch one video. Practice speaking 10 minutes. Read one page. Focus on one step at a time. Don't worry about step 10. Focus on step 1. Celebrate small wins. Every completed step builds confidence. Be patient. Big changes take time. Slow progress is still progress. Big problems are solved by small, steady courage. Step by step, little by little, you win. Tip 3. Ask better questions instead of complaining. When a problem appears, most people complain. "Why me? My life is so hard." Complaining does nothing. It makes the problem bigger. It drains your power. Smart people do something different. They ask better questions. Instead of, "I can't," ask, "How can I?" Instead of focusing on the problem, ask, "What can I do right now? Who can help? What is in my control?" Replace, "Why me?" with, "Try me." This attitude turns challenges into growth. Ask learning questions. What is this teaching me? How can I grow wiser? Ask future-focused questions. What's my next move? What is the best action for my future? Better questions bring clarity. Clarity brings action. Action brings success. Tip 4. Take action instead of overthinking. Overthinking is one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck. They worry. What if I fail? What if it doesn't work? Thinking creates ideas. Action creates results. Even the best idea is useless without action. Here's how to take action. Don't wait for perfection. Start with what you have. Learn along the way. Small action beats big thinking. One call, one email, one page, one step. Daily small actions lead to massive results. Mistakes are lessons, not failure. Doing nothing is true failure. Every action gives experience. Use the 5-second rule. Count 5-4-3-2-1 and move before fear stops you. Action builds confidence. Fear and delay shrink your opportunities. Move. even if it's small. Tip 5. Learn from others and ask for guidance. You don't have to solve every problem alone. Wise people learn from those who have already succeeded. Ask for advice. Read books. Watch learning videos. Seek mentors. Learning from others doesn't make you weak. It makes you smarter, faster, and more effective. Every time you learn from someone, you avoid mistakes, save time, and move forward faster. Tip 6. Stay positive and hopeful. Problems can make you feel scared, sad, or frustrated. Negativity weakens your mind. Stay positive. Remind yourself, this is temporary. I will get through it. Speak kindly to yourself. Avoid negative people. Surround yourself with those who lift you. A hopeful mind sees possibilities. A hopeless mind sees nothing. Protect your hope. Protect your peace. Tip 7. Take responsibility and stop blaming. Many people blame others. It's not my fault. Blaming feels easy, but it removes your power. True strength comes from responsibility. This is my life. I will fix it. I will rise above this. Responsibility builds maturity, confidence, and solutions. Blaming creates weakness and keeps you stuck. Control what you can, your response, effort, and actions. Learn from every problem. Ask, what is this teaching me? Build a strong identity. I take responsibility for my life. Your future is in your hands. Take charge. Stop blaming. Solve, grow, and rise. Conclusion. Problems don't make you weak. They make you powerful. Remember today's steps. Stay calm. Break challenges into small steps. Ask better questions. Take action. Learn from others. Stay positive. Take responsibility. Life will test you. Life will push you. Life will challenge you. But strong people rise. Every problem you solve builds confidence. Every difficulty makes you stronger. Every refusal to quit creates a life others dream about. Next time a problem appears, don't say, "Why me?" Smile and say, "I can handle this. I will find a way. I am stronger than this problem." You are not here to escape challenges. You are here to overcome them. Problems don't define you. Your response does. Take control. Solve them step by step. Grow stronger. Become unstoppable.